In this guide, you'll learn how to play Netflix games on PC or laptop. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have an active Netflix subscription and a modern web browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox installed on your PC. First, open your browser and go to the official Netflix website. Then sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, look for the Games section on the Netflix homepage or scroll down until you find the Netflix Games row. Click on it to browse the available titles. Now select the game you want to play and click Play Game. The game will launch directly in your browser, so there is no need to download anything on most supported titles. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to allow permissions or connect your Netflix account for game access. You may also be asked to use your keyboard, mouse, or connected controller depending on the game you choose. If you don't see the game section, make sure your subscription is active and your browser is updated and that Netflix games on PC is supported in your region, since availability may vary. And that's all there is to playing Netflix games on your PC or laptop. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.